Mark Zuckerberg has finally released the Twitter rivalry platform called Threads, an Instagram app under Meta to compete with Twitter's Threads. In this video, we will dive into the 10 interesting facts about this newly launched app Threads. Threads app is a subsidiary of Instagram, owned by Meta, and it aims to compete with Twitter's Threads feature. Unlike Facebook and Instagram, which focus on videos and photos, Threads is primarily designed for sharing ideas and trends through text-based conversations. Threads offers users the ability to post short messages to a broader audience and engage in conversations with others. It emphasizes the power of text-based discussions to convey more meaningful messages and engage in lively exchanges. Privacy and security are crucial aspects of Threads. Users can ban, mute, or limit contacts, and the app supports automatic message deletion to ensure momentary conversations. It also notifies users when someone takes a screenshot of their content, adding an extra layer of privacy. Threads app offers a unique feature called Auto Status, which automatically updates a user's status based on their current context. This feature allows users to effortlessly share what they're up to without the need for manual updates, enhancing convenience and real-time engagement. The app collects various data categories from users, including health and fitness, financial information, contact information, search history, and purchases. However, Meta Inc. is responsible for ensuring user privacy and data protection. Threads was founded by Mark Zuckerberg, the businessman and tech mogul behind Facebook and Meta platforms. As the creator of multiple successful social media platforms, Zuckerberg brings his expertise to the development of Threads. The integration between Threads and Instagram is seamless, particularly with the close friend list feature. This allows users to maintain intimate conversations within their inner circle, fostering stronger connections. Threads features a simplified messaging interface, making it easy to engage in one-on-one or group conversations. The app focuses on providing an intuitive user experience for intimate discussions. The app has a camera-centric design, enabling quick sharing of photos and videos. This emphasizes the visual aspect of communication and encourages users to share their experiences through multimedia content. The description of Threads in the Apple App Store highlights its purpose as an app for communities to come together and discuss various topics. It emphasizes the ability to follow and connect with favorite creators and like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of community and idea sharing. Overall, with Threads app's focus on text-based conversations, seamless integration with Instagram, and emphasis on privacy and security, it presents a compelling alternative to Twitter and other social media platforms. The backing of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg's involvement, and the integration with Instagram's massive user base position Threads as a strong contender in the social media landscape. That was our video for today. If you want more amazing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.